Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the 8 main types of graphic design. Understanding these branches is essential for any aspiring designer or professional. The title 8 main types of graphic design appears in bold orange typography, surrounded by abstract blue geometric shapes that pulse with gentle energy. Graphic design is everywhere, from the smartphones we hold to the massive billboards we see on our daily commute, serving as a vital communication tool. First, we explore visual identity. This is the cornerstone of branding, focusing on the visual elements that communicate a brand's unique personality and values. Visual identity designers create logos, typography, and color palettes. Here, a strict palette of black, white, and orange ensures brand consistency across all platforms. Next is marketing and advertising design. This field combines psychology and visual aesthetics to create materials that persuade and inform the target audience. From social media graphics to digital brochures, these designs must be eye-catching and strategically placed to reach consumers where they spend their time. Thirdly, user interface design, or UI. This specialty focuses on the look and feel of digital interfaces, ensuring they are intuitive and user-friendly. We designers work closely with developers to create buttons, menus, and layouts that provide a seamless experience for users on any digital device. Publication design is our fourth type. Historically focused on print, this field covers the layout of magazines, books, newspapers, and their digital counterparts. Designers here must master typography and white space to organize long-form content, making it readable and aesthetically pleasing for a professional audience. Fifth, we have packaging design. This combines structural engineering with visual art to create containers that protect products and attract shoppers. Effective packaging tells a brand's story at a glance. It uses materials, textures, and graphics to provide a tactile and visual experience for the consumer. Moving to our sixth type, motion graphic design. This branch brings static elements to life through animation, timing, and cinematic sequences. Motion graphics are essential in today's digital world, used in video titles, promotional social clips, and app interactions to capture immediate attention. Environmental graphic design. Our seventh category focuses on how people interact with physical spaces through murals, signage, and wayfinding systems. These designs help navigate a space and reinforce a company's identity within its physical architecture, creating a cohesive and welcoming environment. Finally, we look at art and illustration. And like other branches, this focuses on creating original artwork that serves a specific commercial or expressive purpose. From custom t-shirt graphics to intricate digital paintings, this field allows for high creativity while still adhering to a project's overall visual strategy. In summary, these 8 types of graphic design offer diverse paths for students and professionals to explore and find their unique design niche. Whether you are drawn to the precision of UI or the expressiveness of illustration, each branch plays a critical role in our visual world. Thank you for joining this educational presentation. We hope this overview inspires you to dive deeper into the fascinating world of graphic design. Start your journey today. Subscribe for more design insights and take the first step toward mastering your chosen design specialty. Design is a powerful tool for change. Explore, create, and communicate your vision. We'll see you in the next presentation.